Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We are so incredibly happy to have you here with us today. If you are a fan of theme parks, marine life, and saving a lot of money, then you have certainly come to the right place. We dedicate ourselves to bringing you the absolute best travel tips, hidden secrets, and budget-friendly guides to help you make the most of your vacations. Today, we have some spectacular news that you simply cannot afford to miss if you are planning a trip to Florida this year. We are breaking down exactly how you can secure free tickets to SeaWorld and Aquatica Orlando for the year 2026. Let us dive right in. First and foremost, let us talk about the biggest offer available right now, the 2026 preschool card. This is an incredible opportunity for families with young children. If you are a Florida resident and you have a child aged 5 or under, they are eligible for a completely free card that provides unlimited admission to both SeaWorld and Aquatica Orlando through December 31, 2026. However, you must pay close attention to the deadlines. You must register your child online through the SeaWorld website by February 3, 2026. After you register, you must activate the card by visiting the park in person no later than March 1, 2026. This card is perfect because it includes admission to all the seasonal events, including the Sesame Street Kids Weekend and the Halloween Spooktacular. Next, we want to highlight our amazing educators. SeaWorld Orlando loves to give back to those who teach the next generation. All active and certified kindergarten through 12th grade Florida teachers are eligible for a free Florida teacher card. This card grants you unlimited admission to SeaWorld Orlando through September 3, 2026. While this specific offer does not typically include Aquatica, it is an amazing way for teachers to relax and enjoy the park's educational exhibits and thrilling rides at no cost. We also cannot forget our brave service members. Through the Waves of Honor program, active duty United States military personnel and up to 3 direct dependents can receive 1 complimentary admission per year to SeaWorld Orlando. This offer is valid through the end of 2026. And here is a pro tip for our viewers who are already annual pass members: check your online portals regularly. SeaWorld and Aquatica frequently offer Bring a Friend free tickets during specific months. For instance, many pass members received extra guest tickets just this month in January. It is one of the best ways to bring a friend along for free. As you can see, there are several ways to experience the magic of these parks without breaking the bank in 2026. Whether you are a parent of a preschooler, a dedicated teacher, or a member of our military, these parks are waiting to welcome you with open arms. Make sure you check those registration deadlines immediately so you do not miss out on these free opportunities. If you found this information helpful, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who live in Florida. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an update on theme park deals and travel news. We would love to hear from you, so leave a comment down below and let us know which ride you are most excited for this year. For more details and to register for these offers, please click on the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.